Boom shakalaka, an inverse head and shoulders inside of 3 nesting Bitcoin double bottoms. Things are looking explosive for Bitcoin in the future. We're going to go over exactly why in today's video. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of interesting charts for Bitcoin, why things look explosive in Bitcoin's future. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button, and let's get started. Today, the fear all the way up to 40. This is incredible. We went from 20 a few weeks ago to 30 last week, all the way up to 40 this week. However, the entire market down 1% today. Bitcoin at 21,166, Ethereum at 1616, BNB at 349, XRP 48 cents, Dogecoin 12 cents, Cardano 42 cents, and Solana $35. And Bitcoin right now forming an inverse head and shoulders. Now, an inverse head and shoulders is historically a bullish pattern. Typically, the gains we see are actually the length of the head, which would put us back above the 200 weekly moving average, this yellow line right here, which is very good. Not only that, we have 3 concurrent Bitcoin double bottoms happening. Each confirmation point is bullseye and this pink line. Well, we've already passed the first one, which should push us past the second one, and that should push us past the third one, which should push us back above $30,000. Right now, we are in the best 6 months of the 4-year presidential cycle, November to April, during midterm years, for returns. And this is returns in the stock market, not cryptocurrency. But if we take a look, on average, 15% returns over the next 6 months, topping out at almost 25% returns. And again, in the stock market, not cryptocurrency. Bitcoin right now, before we saw this week's gains, before Bitcoin price went from $20,000 to $21,000, we saw a massive drop on Bitcoin balance on exchanges. Somebody is stacking. Someone is buying huge amounts of Bitcoin while other people are still fearful. But all the evidence we have right now suggests that the bottom is in. The Puell multiple determines that Bitcoin has already bottomed. Every time Bitcoin left the green zone in the Puell multiple, the bottom was already in and a new bull market started. We can see this happen time and time again. We've left for the 5th time in Bitcoin's history, suggesting the bottom already in, beginning of a new bull market. If we take a look at the Pi Cycle top indicator, which picks out tops perfectly, it also gives us a little bit of a hint towards the bottoms. When this red line here, the 111 SMA, starts to flatten and we have a lower low and a higher low, well, historically, these things have indicated that the bottom is already in and it's all going up from here. We see a flattening of this red line. We see the lower low and the higher low, suggesting the bottoms are gone. Right here, we see a money flow reversal. When money is flowing out of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, price goes down. When money is flowing into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, price goes up. Well, we can see right here the money flow reversal. It just happened once again, suggesting the market is turning around. Long-term trading strategy, all you need to do is buy and sell these regions of the RSI on the 2-day. Basically, when Bitcoin is in these areas, these green zones, these are buy areas along with being around the 200 weekly SMA. Typically, the buy area, the bottom, before price goes up. Now, it's important to take a look at different time frames for Bitcoin, just to make sure that one chart isn't saying up and the other charts are saying down. So we've taken a look at the daily charts, we've taken a look at the weekly charts. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. This one here suggesting the previous 3 times this happened, where the histogram changed from the dark red to the light red, well, that was the beginning of a bull run. And guess what? It just happened once again, suggesting the beginning of a bull run. And if a one month time frame isn't good enough for you, how about a 2-month time frame? The stochastic RSI just crossed bullish on the 2-month time frame. The previous times this happened, these were market bottoms, suggesting market bottom. Now, if we take a look at this chart right here, the Bitcoin price momentum oscillator, previous times when it flipped from red to green, this was historically the beginning of the bull run. Just flipped from red to green again, similar to the previous price movement chart. This suggests Bitcoin price massive bull run follows. Which brings us to this last chart right here. Bitcoin managed to climb above the 1.618 fib a couple days ago. And previously, in 2019 and 2020, when it did this, now the 1.6181 fib is the black line right here, but when it climbed above that, that was the beginning of a bull run. So we have a whole bunch of indicators suggesting the bottom's already in. We have a whole bunch of indicators on different time frames suggesting the beginning of a bull run. I just have to ask you, what are you going to do? So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.